Hi everyone, this is Joan of Art and I'm here at Balay Bato. Let's talk about Ilonggo words pertaining to Balay Bato, the House of Stone. Che! So this is Bato, big rock, dako nga bato. Big rock, dako nga bato. Sabad sila. These are stones that are balanced and they're actually earthquake detectors because once the earth moves, these stones will topple down and no adhesive except for gravity was used to balance these stones. So let's explore the grounds. They're having a party. It's Green Alert's anniversary and we're invited. Yay! Bye-bye! Hello, Sir Rusty! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! How many years ng Green Alert?
8 years.
Oh my gosh! And Balay Bato is how?
8 years.
8 years. 20 plus 8. Okay. This is Balay Bato. And this is the main entrance. Let's enter the stone house. The house started from this pine tree as the focal point, and then from there it just grew and grew, winding up and winding down. Hello. Very gorgeous, very polite. Now this is the dining area. The concept is an open type, very welcoming living room so that anybody can just come in, and dinner table and the kitchen is open for everyone, and sometimes there's free coffee here for everyone to share. We are here at the, you can say this is the top floor of Balay Bato. This is the master's bedroom. Balay is Ilonggo word for house, and Bato is Ilonggo for stone. So Balay Bato is a house made of stone, or a stone house, a house made of stone. This is always a favorite place for photo shoots because of its unique features. So come in. It's practically made of stone, even the doorknobs and the flooring of this bedroom. Just look at here. Stones everywhere. So it's literally a stone house, Balay Bato. Let's have a look at the walk-through toilet. This is actually the walk-through closet, and of course the bathroom, and that's the open air throne. You look up at the sky as you do your thing. This is the bathtub, also made of stone. So you're looking at the toilet, open air toilet. And so we again walk on the stone steps, and it's the bed. There is nothing like this anywhere in Bacolod. This is a stone house unique by itself because the owner is an artist and a conservationist, a nature conservationist. So this is his work of art, a work of creation. Just amazing house. This building serves as the office of Rusty and also the office of Green Alert. This is a fireman's post. Not so high, but really challenging. Balay Bato. See you next time in our next video. Bye bye for now.